Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can I open a Starling Bank account if I'm not a UK resident? I know that a lot of people are interested in opening Starling Bank accounts, but they're not sure if they're eligible. So, I wanted to take some time to clear up any confusion and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. Before I get into the details of eligibility, let's talk about what Starling Bank is. Starling Bank is a digital bank that offers a range of banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Starling Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable banking solution. Their accounts are free to open and use, and there are no monthly fees or hidden charges. So, can you open a Starling Bank account if you're not a UK resident? The answer is yes, but there are a few things you need to know. First, you need to be at least 18 years old. Second, you need to have a valid UK address. This can be a residential address or a business address. Third, you need to be able to provide proof of your identity and address. This can be done by submitting a copy of your passport or driving license, as well as a recent utility bill or bank statement. If you meet all of these requirements, you can open a Starling Bank account. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you will not be able to access all of the features of a UK resident account. For example, you will not be able to use the bank's overdraft facility. Second, you will need to pay a foreign exchange fee if you make any international transactions. Third, you will need to be aware of the tax implications of holding a foreign bank account. Despite these limitations, opening a Starling Bank account can still be a good option for non-UK residents. Starling Bank offers a convenient and affordable banking solution that can be accessed from anywhere in the world. So, there you have it. If you're not a UK resident, you can still open a Starling Bank account. However, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you next time.